Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Nerdwallet password. Are you logged out of your accounts or you just want to update your login details? Here's how to reset your Nerdwallet password quickly and securely. Start by logging into nerdwallet.com and click login at the top right corner. Under the password field, tap forgot password. Now just enter the email address associated with your Nerdwallet account and then click send reset link. Now head to your inbox and look for a password reset link from Nerdwallet. If you didn't receive it, be sure to check your spam or promotional folders because they might be there. Once you find them, open the email and click the reset link. You're going to be taken to a secure page where you can enter a new password. Make sure it's strong. You want to use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once confirmed, your password will be updated instantly. Now go back to nerdwallet.com and log in with your new credentials and you're all set. It's that easy to recover access and keep your account secure. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet guides that keep your financial life on track. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.